Welcome to my channel Feel Good Within. This is Priyanka Nagpal over here, and this video is all about 11 signs that you are on the right path. So just go ahead and start. So the first signs, like universe will send you is that you start seeing numbers like 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 11, 11, 11, 22, right? You see all these kind of numbers, and every number have a message. What every number tell you, that I'll go ahead and make a different video about it, but that's what I wanted to say, that like if you are on the right path, you will see all this number 11, 11, 11, 22, 444, 555. So universe send you signs that you are on the right path, and universe send you signals that you are on the right path. So if you are seeing this number, that means you are on the right path. Second thing which happens is that right book will show up, which will be helpful in your path. So even if you will buy that book or you won't buy that book, if that book is going to help you out in your path, the book will automatically come to you. Alright, even if you won't buy it, the book will come to you somehow. Maybe someone will give to you, or you will get it somehow, if that book is going to help you out in your life path. Third thing which will happen is that, as Buddha said, when the student is ready, the teacher shows up. Alright, so the right mentor will come at the right time to guide you what to do next. The right teacher will show up at the right time to tell you what to do and what next step to take. So universe will help you in your life path. So right mentor will show you at the right time. Fourth thing, you won't even feel like that you are working. Fifth thing, it will be so much fun. Alright, you will enjoy each day to the fullest. So sixth thing is that if you will enjoy each day, each moment so much, then of course you're going to be successful in whatever you are going to do, right? So success is not the key to happiness, happiness is the key to success. So this is a beautiful quote by Albert Schweitzer. Seventh thing is that you will face obstacles or challenges. It's not that it will be a smooth journey. Of course you will face a lot of obstacles and challenges, but you will truly enjoy those challenges because you will get to learn so much in those challenges. And you will take those challenges as an opportunity to learn something new and to grow. Eighth thing is that you are not working for money, you're working for your joy, for your happiness, because you truly love it. So even if you won't get any money, you will still do that work. I'm not getting any money of these YouTube videos. Still, I truly enjoy it, and that's why I do it, because it makes me happy. Ninth thing which will happen is that you will truly enjoy each day, and it will provide you true fulfillment from inside. 10th thing which will happen is that universe will send somebody at the right time, right mentor or teacher at the right time to tell you what the next step would be. And 11th thing which will happen is that when you are following your purpose, you're not betraying yourself, you are actually yourself, and you are not betraying yourself, you're not being someone else, you're being you. And you're truly happy. You're truly happy and fulfilled, and that's what I shared from my journey, whatever I have learned in my journey. I hope this video will be helpful to you in your life. If this video is helpful to you in your life, or if you like this video, go ahead and click on like button. Don't also forget to click on subscribe and share my videos. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.